bought the house about a month ago, and in the process of purchasing the home, we found that the inspection revealed that the piping in the house, even though the house is relatively new, was a type of plumbing that is currently under a class action lawsuit. And so we had to find somebody to come out and basically take out the piping throughout the entire almost 3,000 square foot house, and repipe the entire home with updated plumbing. So we called a couple different places. 5-star, my husband actually found you guys on Yelp.
Yeah, you had good Yelp reviews.
Fantastic Yelp reviews.
You know, 4 to 5 stars, a lot of them. So had to give you guys a call, and you guys were the best price too.
Yep, absolutely the best price. And then then Michael came out with a team. Actually, Peter came out and gave us the quote, and then Michael came out. He basically was the one that explained everything that was going to happen, how it was going to work, took us through the whole process. They were super friendly. Every day they showed up, very polite. They cleaned up. One guy was constantly going around vacuuming and cleaning up after everybody else that was making a mess, and I thought that was pretty impressive. And the work was done in about 2.5 days.
3.5 days, yeah.
Done pretty well, pretty quickly. All the guys were great. They cleaned up after themselves every day before they left, and it's done, and we're super happy with it.